Don't buy the Air Jordan 1 Royal Reimagined. The Royal Reimagined Air Jordan 1 releases on November 4th. Retail is $180. And I'm going to tell you guys right now, do not buy these sneakers. These are going already for under retail weight. Wait it out. Do not buy the Air Jordan 1 Royal Reimagined and hold them. This is a sneaker you are not going to make money on. This is a sneaker personal only that I expect to possibly go on sale if they do not sell out. However, if they do sell out, resell will be under retail. Do not buy the Air Jordan 1 Royal Reimagined. You can wait. Let's talk about it. If you guys are going to cop these, please comment a bunch of fire emojis. If you guys are going to pass, please comment a bunch of trash emojis. I definitely want to see who's going to cop the Reimagined Royal Air Jordan 1s and who's not on November 4th. If you want to protect the bottom of your sneakers when you're wearing them to keep them in great condition, the best way to do that is with Drip Grip sole protectors. When you wear Drip Grip sole protectors, there's no slips, no tears, multiple wears. I have the sole protectors right now on my off-white Nike Dunks. As you guys can see, the sole protector is observing all the dirt, grime, everything on the sole protector and not the actual bottom of the sneaker. So when I peel off the sole protectors, the bottoms are going to be brand new, keeping the sneaker in great condition. I'll have a link down below in the description. Make sure you guys check out Drip Grip, the best sole protectors on the market, and you guys can use my code Danny10 for 10% off your order. When I do these do not buy videos, I'm telling you guys, hey, don't buy the sneaker for full retail price because you're going to be able more than likely to get the sneaker for less than retail. I'm telling you guys, you know, if you're a reseller, hey, maybe stay away from this sneaker. There's not going to be profit to be made. That's the point of me making these type of videos. I'm not telling you guys, hey, stay away from the shoe. Don't buy it because there's no money. No, that's not the point of these videos. The point of these videos is to tell you guys, hey, if you want the sneaker, if it's a must-have for you, maybe you're able to wait because, hey, maybe they'll go on sale if they do sit and don't sell out, or maybe on the resale market, you'll be able to get the sneaker for under retail. So, you know, that's the point. That's the point of me making these videos. I hope you guys, you know, explain and understand that. I just felt like I had to explain myself a little bit on that to clear things up. You know, sometimes in the comments of these do not buy videos, I will get some heat, and I just want to explain a little bit for the first time of why I do these videos, you know, to help you guys out. You know, stay away from it for right now. If you want it, that's awesome. Just stay away from it for the time being because later down the road, you will be able to save money on the sneaker. That's the point of me making the do not buy videos overall. With that being said, do not buy the Air Jordan 1 Royal Reimagined. Why? Because these are going to go for under retail. They already are. Resale is already under retail and the sneaker has not released yet. These release this Saturday, November 4th for $180. They will be a massive general release. Every retailer that carries Jordan brand product will get the Air Jordan 1 Royal Reimagined, and stock is going to be high, plentiful of stock. Now, I'm going to tell you guys, I do think they will sell out. I think it'll be a slower sellout. I don't think it'll sell out day of. They might, but I think it'll be more so maybe a 2-3 day sellout. I do expect them to sell out. After all, it is a royal colorway that I know a lot of people are going to want a Royal Air Jordan 1. Whether it's suede or not, a lot of people are still going to want a Royal Jordan 1. So if you truly want them and you're okay paying full retail, don't sleep, put in the footwork, and you should be good on getting your pair for retail on November 4th. Now, if you guys want to wait it out, I do expect prices to drop even more. Right now, they're at around 175-ish. Retail's 180, so I do expect them to definitely drop a little bit more and not be profitable whatsoever. So listen, guys, if you're looking to make money quick flip, this is not going to be a shoe you're going to be able to quick flip, and I do not recommend holding on to them for the long term either. You know, some Jordan 1s and other sneakers lately have been decent holds, but I would not consider the Royal here Reimagined a hold really whatsoever because of the suede, the material. I just don't think people are really going to care for these years down the line so much. They'd rather have the leather pair. It's really that simple. So I do think this is a clean shoe. I don't think they'll ever hit that $300 price point where it would be worth holding for your, for your time, money, and investment. So don't buy and hold them. Don't buy and invest in them. Buy and wear them. Enjoy them. And like I said in the beginning, if you guys, want this sneaker for the personal, do it. I think it's a great pair of Air Jordan 1s. You're going to get a lot of wear out of, and just match a lot. And you guys can really pull off a lot of outfits, especially because you'll be able to switch out the laces. We have black laces on the sneakers, and then inside the box, they do come with blue laces as well. Let me know down below in the comments, blue laces or black. For the Reimagined Royal, I'm still going to go with black to match the tongue, but I do think the blue would really pop along with the blue suede. So I think this is a really good shoe. Like I said, guys, if they don't sell out, I do expect them to sell out, a slower sellout, but if they don't sell out, they will go on sale so that they can sell out. But trust me, I don't expect them really to sit for too long. It is a Royal. At the end of the day, it's a Royal Jordan 1. So, if you guys want them, put in the footwork. You should be good on getting yourself a pair. And I'm just telling you guys, in my opinion, it's not going to be worth the time, money, or an investment as far as a hold. And there's no money to be made as far as quick flipping. And listen, if you guys want them, wait. Maybe you'll be able to get them for under retail on the resale market. I think it's going to happen. It's already happening. And I think prices are going to drop even more as time goes on. So, yeah, don't sleep. If you truly want them, go after them. They're a great pair overall, guys. I think the suede is really nice. It's a Royal Jordan 1. It's clean. It's wearable. The suede is going to be tough to manage, so make sure you definitely take care of them when you do wear them. And if you guys want to really protect the bottoms, make sure you guys put on Drip Grip, the best sole protectors on the market. Link down below in the description, and you guys can use my code Danny10 for 10% off your entire order. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys are going to cop the Reimagined Royal Air Jordan 1s. I will say this, in my opinion, they're clean and all, but I think that overall, it's just a miss. These just are a miss for me personally. I'd rather have what they did to the Chicagos on the Royals than have the suede. But let me know what you guys think about them down below in the comments. And I do want to tell you guys, hey, take a look at the blue color, because the blue, for some reason, in most videos, it doesn't look how it does in person. So be notice and wary of that. I think the blue is darker in person than what it actually is popping up on camera. My camera and a bunch of people's cameras. So make sure you guys be on the lookout for that. The blue is actually a royal blue in person. It's actually darker than what it is popping up here in camera. So be on the lookout for that and expect that when you do get them in hand on release day. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys are going to go after the Reimagined Royal Air Jordan 1s. Are they a cop? Are they a drop? Will you be doubling up on a pair? Retail $180, resell already under retail. Don't buy them. You guys can wait it out, and you'll be able to get them more than likely for under retail, which is crazy for a pair of Royal Air Jordan 1s. But in today's day and market here in 2023, this is the times that we are in. So, yeah, it's absolutely crazy, guys, to see, it's not even release day yet. It's not even release day yet, and they're already going for under retail. Absolutely crazy. Let me know what you guys think about that down below in the comments. Let me know if you'll be picking up the Royal Reimagined Air Jordan 1s, or are you passing? Let me know down below in the comments. Make sure you guys smash that thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe and leave a comment. Let me know, do you guys want me to do another sneaker giveaway? I haven't done a giveaway all month. Do you guys want a giveaway for November? Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up and leave a comment. Let me know. Make sure you guys join the More family. Smash that subscribe button. These just ain't it with the suede for me personally. Let me know what you guys think about them. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.